Okay, welcome back. We got a ton of content on the Google, brand new, shall I say, Google Pixel 7a. Just did a review. Did a comparison video between the 7a, the Pixel 7, and the Pixel 7 Pro. You can check those videos out on our channel. But now I wanted to do a case review. Now, I did the screen protector install video first, and I wanted to install that first because I wanted to see if the case would lift up the glass screen protector on this Pixel 7a. However, this is the Tudia MergeGrip designed for the Google Pixel 7a. Now, it's got military grade drop protection, dual layer, shock proof, heavy duty protective case. It is a smoky pink color. Get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for y'all. Got this for $16.99. Just a quick reference. Have y'all been seeing the price increase for these cases on Amazon? Just in the last year, as everything has basically gone up in this country as far as inflation, these phone cases are crazy. This very case used to be $12 just a year or two ago. Now this price has jumped up. Caseology cases, which I'm going to review next, check that video out, have gone up. Spigen cases have gone up. I mean, it's crazy how much. Now, it probably 25-30% jump across the board on all cases. Now, whatever, I'm not going to get into it, but just, keep that in mind. But anyways, I'll link this in the description. $16.99, $17 with Prime. And now let's check out this case, and we'll put it on here, the new 7a. Now you have a nice big charging port cut out here at the bottom. Basically fit any cable, USB-C cable you got, or external storage like a external storage like a thumb drive or something. So, obviously you can put an adapter on there, but look, just a regular type A fits in there. So a nice big cutout. You got the speaker grill cut out. Let's move that to the side so it doesn't focus on that. They do say it is dual layer. So is it a true dual layer? It is, because you can take it apart. You got the soft inside here, and you got the hard outer shell. Now, I love dual layer cases. They're the most protective cases you can find for your device. Now, I hate bulky cases like the, what are those cases everybody has on their iPhone? Damn, I forgot. It's OtterBox. That's right. I hate those things because they're a brick. I don't want a brick. I want a phone. So this is a true dual layer. It snaps right back. So this is a true dual layer. Some cases on Amazon will say dual layer. They're not. This is a true dual layer. Now, it will come apart, but looks really nice and sturdy. You got the softer, I guess that's TPU. You can see it flexing. And then you got the outside harder shell, which is a polycarbonate PC type material. You got the button cutouts, which are nice. Kind of see-through, makes it easier to push in. Volume rocker, down, up, and then your power. And you have some grips down here at the bottom where your palm would rest. On both sides, you got this textured back, smooth up top. Looks like you have decent camera protection. We'll give it a try. And let's look at the inside. You have a cool design, which makes it easy on the eyes, but also its main purpose is heat dissipation. When you have your phone inside here, it allows for just a little bit of air travel, air cutout channels for your for the air to travel in the back, for the heat to dissipate, to escape, so your phone doesn't overheat. We have had zero overheating issues with this phone, by the way. Does it have air pockets? Yeah, it sure does. You got a cutout there. You have a cutout up there. Cool. You got that right there. You got air pockets in the bottom corners. Cool. So, as you can tell, this case, if you look at this side and this side, It does wrap around up over the phone, so I wanted to make sure it doesn't lift up the screen protector. Now, check this out. Interesting. There's not much lip protection. Actually, there's basically zero. Kind of surprising because, look down here, because normally when you have a case like a protective case, you'll have the top and bottom raised a little bit, so when you lay your phone down face flat, you're not going to scratch. Look, this one really doesn't either. Interesting. Look at this one. You see how now this is for the 7 Pro, but look, you see how this is raised up like this at the bottom, raised up at the top, it's raised up like this. That allows for, again, lifts when your phone is face down. It lifts it up off of the surface, so it doesn't allow for scratching. Interestingly, I just noticed this one does not. So let's put it on and give it a try. As you can tell, just put the screen protector on here. Should be plenty of room, but let's give it a try. Put the bottom in first, and then snap it in. Look at that. 0 issues. Looks pretty nice. There is a little distance between the screen protector and the case, but that's fine. The screen protector, which I did review, go check that video out. I do have a link in the description of that video where you can get this very same screen protector right here. That brand, use that for all my phones. Even got that for my Pixel 7 Pro, although this is a film on the 7 Pro and this is glass. But there is a distance in between the top and the bottom and the sides. It's a little bigger than I would like, to be honest with you. I wish the screen protector came a little closer on all 4 sides to the case, but it is what it is. Should allow for many cases to fit on here without being lifted up, but pretty cool. Nice big cutout. Speakers line up. Camera protection. Microphone up top lines up perfectly. Kind of hard to see because it's in a shadow. There you go. Now let's listen to it click. Nice and clicky. Cool. Now let's look at the camera protection. So it is lifted, so it's definitely not going to scratch your camera. Again, check this out. You know how some screen protectors come with this camera protector here, where you can basically put this, install this. It's like a glass screen protector for the front. You got this one for the back, where you can put it on your camera bar back there. I don't use these. They're trash, basically. Now, they've upgraded them a little bit from the past. In the past, this would be just one glass panel. You can tell that has a cutout there. That's not a glass. That's actually a cutout for the flash. But many of you know, in the past, if you put this on your phone and you took a picture with the flash would illuminate this whole glass panel right here. Not on here, but on here. When the flash would light up, it would light this whole panel up. When you took your picture, the sensor, when you would review the picture in your gallery, the picture would be basically just one big white light ball, because your flash will illuminate this glass panel. The sensor is gonna snap the shot of when it's illuminated. So these companies tried to combat that complaint by cutting out a hole there so the flash will go through this glass panel. However, it's still not perfect. I still think you can tell from my testing, even with the cutout, the night pictures or when you use the flash is just not crisp. This is just not like it's supposed to be. But that's not really why I don't use them. Why I don't use them is because the cases. If you put this on take that off, peel it off, put it on your camera bar right here, these cases are not going to fit, because if you have cases like this, which I'm going to review next, when it sits on your phone, as you can tell, now this, if you really want to use this, this will work with the official Pixel cases, because the official Pixel cases have this whole cutout right here. Doesn't even have the sides on the Pixel cases. The whole camera bar is cut out. So you can use that if you really want to on the Google cases. I don't have any Google cases. I have Caseology, Spigen, obviously Tudia, stuff like that, Nilkin. But these cases will not fit if you have that on, because these don't have the full camera bar cut out. If you put that strip on your phone, and then your case goes on your phone, right? It's going to sit up on here, and it's just not going to fit, because it's going to hit right there and right here. So it's basically, when you put it on your phone, it's going to lift your case up like that. It's just not going to fit on your phone perfectly, so don't use these. But this case, very nice. Let's look at the... See, there's not much screen protection. Now, the screen protector is going to protect it, but I mean, it's there. I mean, look, if you lay it face down, it's not going to scratch your screen protector or your screen. But I would have liked to have seen a little more lip on the front, on the top and the bottom. But nice case. The color's not for me. I'd rather have something like this, but that's just my personal preference. If you like this design, it's definitely worth buying. I would definitely recommend this. If you like this style, if you like the color. Actually, let's see what other colors they got real quick. They got, let's see. So this is the smoky pink. They have a gray color. They have a lily, green lily, which is kind of like a, do I have one of those? I don't. Sorry, I thought I had one of those. So they got a gray, a greenish color, mint green color, indigo blue, which looks cool. That's probably what I would get. A light blue, and a matte black. So they got a bunch of different colors to choose from. Either my personal preference would probably be this indigo blue one. But I will definitely link this case in the description of the video. Please check it out. Not affiliated or don't have any link association with them. I just review cases and love phones. So if you like this case, I definitely think it's a suitable case for 15 or 16 bucks. That's not bad. It's about what the average case goes for. So, cool phone, cool case for a girl. But definitely buy it if you like it. I think it's worth it. It definitely will protect your phone. Suitable. It's thin enough for indoor use. Definitely thick enough for outdoor use. Definitely going to the gym, office, anything, pool. Beach, whatever. I think this is fairly protective. I would like to see more lift. Excuse me. Again, I would like to see more lift on the top and bottom, but it is what it is. Especially if you got extreme screen protector, you should be fine. But definitely a good looking case. So, all right, we'll see y'all next time, and check my other videos out. We got a ton of more content on this 7A. Peace.